Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Sammy from Bendy. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw the overall shape of the head, which is probably going to be the trickiest part. So we're going to start by drawing on the top. Just one curve like this, and then we're going to go all the way around. So it's almost like a circle. It's a little bit flatter. Okay, so once you have that, just kind of come down in the middle and then go off to the side a little bit, make yourself a little point. And then we're just gonna draw in like an angle all the way to the side here. And then now we're gonna curve this thing down. So we're gonna curve down and just kind of pinch it in all the way to the edge. Just kind of curve, pinch. So it's a very tricky shape. And then from here we're gonna draw the eye. So just kind of come down and we're gonna draw the bottom of the eye first. Just gonna make two marks like this. And then now we can draw in the top. So an easier way is to just kind of come up slightly. Just draw like a little angle like this. Connect that, and then we're just gonna go up and then come back down. Okay, so just come down, come up to the side here, just draw like a little angle. Connect that, and then we're just gonna draw one curve. All right, and then from here, let me shade it in real quick. So see how it looks kind of funny if it's not shaded. So after the eye, let's draw in the mouth. So for the mouth, we can just draw in, you can just draw two brackets like this, right underneath the eye. And then for the top one here, we're just gonna go dip it down and just kind of come back up. And then for the bottom one, we'll just kind of curve it all the way around. Okay, and then for the teeth, it's just gonna be, we're gonna start up here, just kind of curve down and then come back up. And then we're gonna add in some lines for the teeth. And again, let me shade this in real quick, because it looks a lot cooler, a lot meaner once it's shaded. Okay, so that's the head. So let's move on to the body. And for his neck, we're just gonna come down, two straight lines, and then we're gonna come out slightly. Okay. And then from here, we're gonna draw for his suspenders, which is go down. It's almost a vertical line, just kind of taper it in slightly. Okay, and then we're gonna, from here, we're gonna come up slightly. Just give it a little bit more thickness to it. Come out, and then we just kind of taper it in again. So come all the way down, just close it off. Then we'll add in two buttons there. And then from here we can close off. Here's his pant line. Okay, so now let's draw in the arms first before we move on to the legs. So on his shoulder, we're gonna continue this line. We're just gonna come out. And then here's the armpit, his arm. So we're just gonna come, his bicep area, just kind of taper in slightly. Lower arm will come out, go in, out, taper in. Then his hands, just kind of come straight out, come back for his thumb, and here's part of the palm. And here's the back of the palm. And then for his fingers, we're just gonna curl it. So that's one, and then we're gonna draw the middle one, we're gonna curl another one. Just kind of tuck it in earlier. I'm gonna draw a little bit there, so that it looks like it's bent. And then for the last one, we just kind of curl it in. All right, so let's draw the other one, and the other one's gonna be holding his axe. So here's the shoulder. armpit, bicep area, out, in. So this one's gonna be a little bit straighter. And then here is his thumb, curl down, palm, and then I'm just gonna draw 3 fingers. So 1, 2, and 3. And I'm gonna close it off for the palm area. So the axe is gonna be here, but let's draw in the legs first. Okay, so we got from the pant line here, we're gonna come out slightly. And then we'll come in the middle, just draw like a little line. So his pants kind of easy, it's just kind of straight. And we're just gonna taper it in here for his knee a little bit. Gonna come down. Okay, just a little bit bracket for the knee. And now for here, continuing down. So we're gonna go down. Just kind of flare it out slightly. Close it with a curve. For a shoe, we're gonna come down. It's a little bit straighter. Just a little bit of a dome shape. Close it off and now add a little bit of sole. And same thing here. So we're just gonna come down. So I'm gonna have this foot kind of turned a little bit, so it's gonna be a little bit of a slant. Come down. Start here and we're just gonna draw one big bulb. So it makes it a little bit interesting that his foot is not on the same direction as this one. Okay, and then let's see let's add in some details to his pants first. So here in the middle, just gotta draw in. This is almost like the zipper area, and there's gonna be one line here. Patch here. Let's draw a rectangle and then draw a couple of lines. Okay, so let's draw in the axe now. So this axe is gonna be easy. We're just gonna draw from his hand here, extend it, one rectangle, and here's the back part, 2 straight lines across. And then we gotta make this a little bit thicker. Okay, another rectangle here, and then we're gonna come back in, smaller. And now we're gonna extend it again. One bigger rectangle. And then here's the axe, the blade. Just gonna come down, close it off. A little bit of detail there, and then let's see, there's some detail in the back. Okay, and then let's see, to finish it off, let's come back to the pants for the ink part. So this is easy. We're just gonna, and you don't have to draw it exactly like this, just give some of these strippings here. Okay, so you can kind of draw your own as long as you have these kind of real long drips. Should look pretty good. Okay, maybe even add some up here. And let's see, we can add in a little bit more detail for his pocket here. Okay, let's see, let's come back up. Let's add some detail to this. We'll add some lines here. And then for the little ink drippings on his body, we can actually draw in some of these stuff here. Make it a little bit more gooey. Maybe even for his arm here. And that is it for this Sammy and Bendy. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.